What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with the wagon. We are doing some lowering springs today. I'm at my buddy Johnny's shop. We got some pretty cool cars in the background. We got his E63 and his friend's Charlie's GT3. But yeah, today we got the lowering springs for the car. Right now I'll show you how it's looking with the stock ride height. It's pretty high. And with the kit, it should drop it about 1.5 inches all around. So we got some H&R lowering springs. I'll show you how they look. Straight from Germany, baby. Woo! So yeah, we're about to knock out, we got to take out the rears first, and then we got to do the fronts, which are going to be the pain in the ass. But the rears are not too bad. So let me get ahead and get everything set up for the GoPro in the rear, and let's get to work. All right, so we got the wheels off. Say hey to the time lapse. There we go. And the wheel off, so we gotta take off this little 16 right here, this 18 mil, and this Torx bit. That way we can drop this lower control arm and get the spring out of here. And then we can replace this with the lowered spring. But right now our issue is we don't know if we have a big enough Torx to fit that. So we're looking, and hopefully we find one so we can get this dropped. All right, while Johnny's doing research, I'm gonna show you his beautiful E63. It's a 2020 E63S, fully built, makes like, what, 800 wheel? 750 wheel, fully done up, got the HREs on them, full carbon package on it, blacked out, black interior. It's fucking sick. It is literally a rocket ship with all-wheel drive. We're bumping 21 right now, so I gotta talk over it so that way it doesn't get us copy striked. But amazing car, love this thing. I haven't ridden in it once he started making 700. So we need to do a ride along soon. But yeah, this car is awesome. And then obviously this car is fucking sick too. This is his buddy Charlie's car. He just picked it up from Porsche. I'm not gonna show too much. He got the sick ass black interior. I'm not gonna show too much though, just because it's not his car. But yeah, what a duo to have in the shop. Freaking sick. Update. We're at Napa. 2 Twisted Teas deep. We came here for a fucking socket. we got Unc over here yapping. So we're just waiting for Unc to stop yapping, and then we can buy the part and get out of here.
1 eternity later.
Update. The nut fits. Oh, fuck. Update. The socket fits. We can work on the car now. Let's go. Time to get back to work. We'll see you guys in a bit. All right, 4 twisted tees later. I got shit on my face. We're tired as fuck, but the rears are done. And now they haven't been settled in yet, but that's pretty good. I like that. They're definitely gonna, oh, what the? Got some camber in the back now. Sheesh. Yeah, that's perfect fitment, honestly. Once it goes down a little bit, it'll probably go down like another 1/4 inch. Absolutely dialed. Now, we gotta do the fronts. That's gonna be fun. We'll see you in a bit. All right, time for the fun part. Almost the most sketchy part of the job. Woo! Just like that, front spring's gone, baby. Time to go put the lower. Six twisted tees later, we are done. We're gonna bolt everything up, go on the drive, make sure everything's dialed, and let the suspension seat in, and I'll show you guys the final result. Oh my God, I am fucking filthy. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Peace. All right, we are done with the test drive. This is the final fitment. A lot better now. It's only like a finger, maybe 2 fingers gap. And then here's the rear. Much better. It is like nearly perfect. I can't think of a better fitment for the car, especially for a daily. That's the rear. That's the front. Looks so good now. Nice and dialed. Looks so much better. All right, so it's currently the next day after the install. I have the car right here. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks right now because it did settle down a lot more since last night. And holy shit, this car is low. So let me turn the camera around so you guys can see this fitment. So here's the car now as it sits. Honestly, it might have the same fitment as the Z. When I get back home, I will show you guys. But now, like, maybe 2 fingers. But like a 1.5 finger gap in the rear. Front is still kind of high, but I mean, I don't care. That's about a 2-3 finger gap. Can't really go much lower because it's a spring. So the only way I could do that is cut it or get coilovers, which I'm not doing. But for how it sits, I'm so happy. It honestly makes the car look a lot wider. Look at the fucking fitment on that thing. That is perfect. Sheesh, look at that poke. Look at that poke. God damn. I fucking love this car, dude. It's so sick. It's only getting better and better. I just picked up more parts yesterday. One was a score, one was a complete fail. So I just went to the UPS store to go sell the parts that was a complete fail. Hint, hint. It had to do with this shit. But don't worry, there's still a lot more to come, even though we had one fail. But if you guys made it this far into the video, please make sure to give a like, subscribe. I'm at 92 fucking subscribers. Please, 8 people, subscribe. That's all I need, 8 people. I want 100, just give me 100, please. I just need 100 people, please. Subscribe, comment, like, do the thing, share it, show people, make me blow up, please. I want to show the world my beautiful pieces of shit, you know? I think it's pretty fun. So, yeah, love y'all. Bye. See you next time. For comparison, here's the Wagon's fitment. Here's the Z's fitment. So, the Wagon definitely looks a little lower in the rear, that's for sure. But the fronts, yeah, no, the Z got the front. But, hey, I ain't complaining. I am not complaining. Because both of them shits look absolutely fire. Sheesh. God damn. How are these my cars? How does this make sense? Huh? Who let me have these cars? This isn't right. But I'm not complaining. So, fuck yeah.